Hello and welcome. First of all, we will refresh a few basic important terms of geometry. Point. A point is the most fundamental object in geometry. A point represents position only and it has zero size. Means a point in geometry is a location. It has no size, for instance no length, no depth, no weight. It is represented by a dot and named by a capital letter. This is point A, this is point B, and this is point D. For example, this point. We can denote this point by any capital letter, say X or Y, like this. But we cannot represent a point by a small letter. This is wrong. This is wrong. We can only represent a point by a capital letter. So, a point represents position only and it has zero size. Line. A line can be defined as a straight one-dimensional figure that has no thickness and extends endlessly in both directions. When we draw lines in geometry, we use an arrow at each end to show that it extends infinitely. Like here, we use arrows at each end to show that it extends infinitely from both the sides. A line is named by 2 points or by a small letter. We can name a line by taking any 2 points of the line, like here AB or PQ. We can write the name of this line as A, B, and we put this kind of line with 2 arrows on AB. For naming this line PQ, we can write PQ and a small line with 2 arrows on PQ. We can also name a line by using small letter. Like here, this is line M, this is line N. This is line AB, this is line PQ, this is line M, and this is line N. Line segment. A line segment is a part of a line that is bounded by 2 distinct endpoints and contains every point on the line between its endpoints. Like here, a line segment is a part of a line that is bounded by 2 endpoints and it has a fixed length. This is line segment AB and it has a fixed length 5.6 cm. This is line segment PQ and its length is 4.5 cm. Like this. So, line segment is a part of a line and it has a fixed length. Ray. A ray is a part of a line that has one endpoint and goes on infinitely in one direction. Like this is also a part of a line, but it has one fixed point and it is moving towards one direction infinitely. Again, we cannot measure the length of a ray. A ray is named using its endpoint first and then any other point on the ray. Like its fixed endpoint is A, so we write the name as AB and we put a line with one side arrow like this. For this ray, we can write P over here. This is one endpoint and we can take any other point Q. So we can name this ray as PQ and we can write this arrow on PQ. So this is how we label a ray.